Surya Namaskar. So that's what we're going to do. We'll do one round. If you have the time, you can practice as many rounds of Surya Namaskar as is comfortable for you. We're going to do it the Hatha Yoga way, the traditional classical Hatha Surya Namaskar. Okay, bring your feet together. Inhale, arms up and arch your back. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, step the right leg back. Come into a low lunge position. Exhale, step the left leg back into plank. Hold your breath, knees, chest and chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, downward dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, right leg steps forward, come into a low lunge. Exhale, left leg steps forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms up and arch your back. Exhale, Namaste. Other side, inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhale, left leg back. Low lunge, lift the chest. Exhale, right leg back, plank. Hold your breath, knees, chest and chin down, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Cobra. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward dog. Inhale, left leg steps forward, low lunge, lift the chest. Exhale, right leg forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, arms up and arch back. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now, let's start to cool down. Sit on your heels and let's come into a child's pose, Balasana. Extend your hands forward and drop your forehead down onto the mat. We'll take about 3 breaths here. 2, 3,
Bhujangasana. For this, we will lie down on our mats on our stomachs. Make sure that your feet are hip width apart. Keep your palms close to your chest and your elbows close to your rib cage. Deep breath in and lifting our head up and chest up. Now if you can straighten your arms, you can come all the way up here. But if you're finding this difficult, you can also stay here in a bent elbow position. Hold this posture for 3 counts. 1, 2 and 3. Exhale, go down. Let's do this 2 more times. Take a deep breath in. Lift your head up, chest up, come up. Make sure your shoulders are away from your ears. If you shrug your shoulders like this, it will cause a lot of strain and stiffness in the shoulder area. So make sure your shoulders are away from the ears. Hold this posture. Keep breathing deeply. 1, 2 and 3. Slowly exhale, go down. Let's repeat this one last time. Take a deep breath in. Lift your head up, chest up and come up and hold the posture for 3 counts. 1, 2 and 3. Slowly bring your head down and chest down. Place your palms one on top of the other. Relax your head over your palms in Makarasana.